You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
The movie industry in Nigeria has throughout the years kept on seeing the appearance of new faces and producers who have closely put resources in the industry. Aspiring actress and filmmaker Empress Asisat is one of the new faces prepared to take the Nigerian film industry to the next level. The UK-based health worker and philanthropist in an interview stated her plans to support the Nigerian film industry to guarantee that it stays standing. Articulated by her long-time desire and dream to join Nollywood and become an actress to be reckoned with in the industry was made possible with the help of actress Opeyemi Aiyeola, who has been of big assistance and support to her on this new journey. Speaking further on her plans for the movie industry in Nigeria, she said, "The mother of two has not permitted her age and busy work schedule to dissuade her from pursuing her dreams in acting," stated. Aziza joined the Aiyeola group in 2018 and ready to drop her first film when the coronavirus pandemic is over.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.